Hello and welcome to Dark Age Growing. Today, while we're all staying at home and planting our victory gardens, I felt like sharing how I plant carrots and radishes together in garden beds. Stick around, because I have a special announcement and I want your feedback on something later on in the video. In this bed, because it's small, I'm just using my hand to make furrows or small rows for the seeds to go down into. In a larger bed, I might use a stick, a dowel, or some other tool to create these little furrows. For me, I find planting my seeds, my carrot seeds, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch deep to work really well. And I'm not that worried about the spacing, because I can go back in and thin them out later. In between the rows of carrots, I plant my radishes, and I try to space the seeds a little bit more, say closer to 1 inch apart, but I know that some of them are doubled up, just in case there's some that don't germinate. Earlier, I said that I had a special announcement. Well, here it is. I got my garden nursery and seed distributing business license. So now I am working on opening up a online store to help you guys all find seeds and plant starts to get their garden growing. Please, in the comments down below, let me know what varieties of seeds you would love to see in the store, as I hope to get this store to go live in May 2020. If you send me an email, darkagegrowing@gmail.com. I still have sunchokes available for sale until April 20th, 2020, and then they will return to being on sale in the fall after my first frost. Also, right now, I do have open-pollinated Danvers carrot seeds that I grew myself, as well as blue Hopi corn and broom corn sorghum seeds. Hope to add more to the list soon. These are some of the carrot seeds that I grew last year, and from the same batch I will be selling. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more gardening information that will help you grow food during challenging times. Also, stick around to the end to see updates on how these plants are growing, 1 week and 2.5 weeks.